Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiera or K Green Art. So welcome to the family, y'all. So y'all, it's either 1, 2, or 3 reasons as to why you're watching this video today. Number 1, you want to learn how to apply Goldleaf to a canvas. So since this is my first time, and probably yours too, it's going to be a learning experience for everybody, okay? Number 2, either you considered or you've already bought a canvas print and you just want to see how to make it look pretty or decorative, okay? And the third and last final reason, you snooping. Being nosy as hell, trying to see the outcome of how everything's gonna turn out. And y'all, ain't no wrong with snooping sometimes. Either you're gonna find what you're looking for, or you're gonna be mad inside as hell and you're gonna be hurt. And y'all, I ain't trying to make you mad at me, especially if this is your first time watching my video at all. So y'all, relax, chillax, let's get into it, okay? The items I'll be using today are some Goldleaf sheets, some adhesive, a cup of water, some napkins, a old paintbrush you don't care about, and some varnish spray. All the items that I mentioned will be down below in the description. Real quick, y'all, if you're liking my energy, my vibe, and how the video is going so far, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. You know, you ain't gonna lose no money. You ain't gonna lose no sleep. So please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay, let's continue with the video. So y'all, since this is not my first time applying Goldleaf to a canvas, but it is my first time applying Goldleaf to a canvas print, this process is very second nature to me, so I won't have any issues with it at all. In one of my older videos, I explained thoroughly on how to apply Goldleaf step by step. So I will link the video down below if this one is going too fast for you, because I will not overly explain on this one right here. And some of y'all are probably saying, but damn Kiera, I really can't see what the hell you doing. Don't worry, I will be doing a more so close-up shot as seen right here. Now, if you're having a hard time scraping away the gold leaf with a regular brush, for me personally, a stencil brush works just as better. Y'all, when applying adhesive, it will go on like milky white, but when it dries down, it becomes clear and it becomes sticky to the touch. So make sure you use the back of your knuckles to make sure that it's dried down and tacky and sticky. The other very important part is to do this project outside. You will see further along in the video why this step is very important too, okay? Once I applied the gold leaf to the areas that I wanted, I'm over here just beating the back of the canvas and wiping off the gold leaf. That's why it's also very important to do this project outside, because all this sprinkle shit will get inside your house and it will not come off. It is like glitter. As you can see, the gold leaf is gold leafing. This color actually reminds me of Rihanna highlighter on Trophy Wife. If you're a makeup girly, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You may be thinking to yourself, I got gold leaf on certain areas that I do not want. So what you can do is use alcohol to scrape some of those particles off, because me, y'all, I'm like a perfectionist and I always do this. But like I said before, this is optional and it will not harm the canvas at all. For the last step, I will be applying a clear gloss varnish to this canvas. I'm making sure I'm applying the varnish to the areas that has gold leaf on it. Since this is my first time applying varnish to a canvas print, hopefully it has the same effect as if you're applying it to a regular canvas. Lastly, the varnish is sticky to the touch, so hopefully there won't be any tacky residue once everything dries down. So I have my final thoughts about the project. First off, y'all, get into the hair. Okay, get into it. Ow. Okay, Pumpkin, you watching this, girl? Thank you. You did an amazing job. Y'all, you can follow her on her IG. I posted somewhere on the screen. Okay, so I want to say probably been like 4 or 5 days since I sprayed the varnish on the canvas. And as y'all can see, she's pretty as hell. It did not disappoint at all. She looks very similar to my paper print that I did of this too. Okay, so I put my hand against the canvas to see if it was sticky, or like if any gold leaf particles came off of my hand. A little bit did, but not anything major, like a sprinkle here and there, okay? And even putting my hand against the canvas, it was not sticky after spraying it. It was very smooth to the touch. So you don't have to worry about it, like any like lint or anything get on the canvas after you hang it up, okay? So that's very good. Overall, I would say this project was a success. You all can do it too. As you can see, it was very simple. So y'all, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel, y'all. I'll see you next time. Thank you.